Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and we're headed to Trader Joe's.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling, tore down my wall.
Okay, we made it home. Let's do a haul. I've got 3 huge bags and a water. So let's jump into it. Okay, this is looking to be a cold bag. So I got one of my favorites, roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. These are really good. They are very seasoned, so keep that in mind. Morgan honestly doesn't care for them. I think they're amazing for dinners, for breakfast tacos, for a side dish, literally anything, they're great. These are, I'll try to remember the nutrition facts. These are 1 cup frozen, which is 125 grams for 170 calories. So love that. This one I picked up for Morgan. It is the shrimp, is it the Thai? Yeah, spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. He loves this one, it's super good. There's 3 servings per container and each serving is 220 calories. So this whole bag is 660 calories. It's a really good one, he loves it. Another one of my go-tos, the chicken Gyoza Potstickers. I know I had a lot of corrections in my last video on that. I love these and they're great macros. You can have 7 of them for 200 calories, 10 grams of protein. Also, I picked up the Southwestern chopped salad. Really excited for this one. It's 1 cup for 160 calories. It says there's 4 servings per container. This actually saw a Pinterest recipe. I'll tell you about it when we get to the main ingredient. But spinach just to throw into whatever. Also stocked us up on some of their chicken sausage. Trader Joe's truly has the best chicken sausage. So I got this spicy jalapeno one for Morgan. And then I got 2 of the andouille chicken sausages. We love these. These are 160 calories a piece and 20 grams of protein. So in 1 sausage, you're getting 20 grams of protein. It's a lot. The spicy jalapeno are 100 calories and only 11 grams of protein. So that's interesting. As far as protein, the andouille is better and it's my favorite. So we love that one. I also picked up 2 more of my favorites for bowls, wraps, tacos, nachos, anything like that. The mild pico, looks like this. It's delicious. It's so good. I'm truly not a huge pico fan, but this one, it's good. I usually just don't like pico because it has so much cilantro and raw onion, and that's just like not my jam. But for some reason, Trader Joe's is like the perfect tomato-y pico. And then also the chunky guacamole. So this has Greek yogurt in it. As you can see, it's a lighter color. It's 30 calories for 2 tablespoons. It's delicious. I like to put this on the Trader Joe's frozen hash browns after I cook them, the like patties, and then put an egg on top, and it's like elevated avocado toast. I'm a huge fan. So that's that. And I also picked up the salty peanut Bear Bells protein bar. These are 200 calories and I think 20 grams of protein, just as one to have. Oh, Morgan's calling. Okay, we're back. Morgan called. What was I talking about? Oh, I think the protein bar. Yeah, just wanted to give it a go. So I've had the other ones in the past, the cookies and cream, and I can't remember, I think it was like a caramel one. Pretty good. I'm like not a huge lover of protein bars, but I do feel like these are fairly good. So I did pick up one of those. Let's do more cold stuff. I also on the phone pulled out a bottle of wine. This is not from Trader Joe's. This is from the fridge. Chateau, whatever, Michelle. Is that, I don't know. Sauvignon Blanc. It's really good from Target. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so I picked up the Chimichurri Rice, another staple. We love to have it. It's 4 servings per bag, 130 calories per serving, and it is so flavorful. This with an andouille sausage and a vegetable like broccoli, green beans, amazing, amazing dinner. We make that a lot. Vegetable pad thai Haven't seen this one. It's a vegan option at Trader Joe's, and I think it's new. So it's just a 1 tray meal. It's 400 calories. Could definitely add extra. It says it has vegetables, rice noodles, and tofu in a savory, sweet, and spicy sauce. So I'm excited. It has 10 grams of protein, 400 calories. Thought that would be fun to try. A non-vegan item is their turkey meatballs. These are another great staple. 2 meatballs are 100 calories and 12 grams of protein. So they're also big. Like they're a good size compared to some, like the ones you get at Walmart are very tiny. These are a good sized meatball. Really delicious. Also picked up not 1, but 2 packs of the Bulgogi fried rice. This is so good. Per bag is 660 calories, and it is to die for. One of my new Trader Joe's favorites. I believe this was new last year in 2021. We cooked both bags at once and we finished them both. It's that good of a dish. It's delicious. Another staple, of course, the fried cauliflower stir-fry rice. I think I have 1 more bag in the freezer. I usually buy a couple at a time, but I wanted to stock up because I think I'm gonna have some next week and probably over this weekend. If you haven't tried the hash browns at Trader Joe's, what are you doing? They're in the frozen section, 120 calories per patty. Air frying them, in my opinion, works the best, but you can also put them in the toaster. I just can't get it crispy enough, no longer how much I toast it. It gets hot, but it doesn't get as crispy as it does in the air fryer. I do mine for about 12 minutes, flip it halfway through on like 370, and it's perfection. Okay, this is new to me, but I saw this idea on Pinterest. So breaded fish sticks. These had okay macros. You can have about 6 pieces for 220 calories. And they put it on a tortilla with the Southwestern chopped salad as like the coleslaw for the fish taco. And I thought that sounded good. And Morgan likes fish tacos, so I thought we would make that. Although they didn't have the carb savvy tortillas and I didn't like the macros on their corn tortillas, I would rather get the Mission extra thin so I could have 3 of them instead of 2 for the same calories. But yeah, this is gonna be a meal probably, if not on Sunday, at the beginning of next week, just so we can use that. Yeah, see, this says best if used by this Sunday. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll have that soon. If not, I'll just eat the salad and worry about the slaw later. Okay, another thing, I haven't had this in a long time, but the reduced guilt mac and cheese. I'm a huge fan of this. I feel like this is everybody's weight loss Trader Joe's staple. It's 270 calories per package, 15 grams of protein. Honestly, that's kind of surprising. 15 grams of protein, that's pretty good. Add some of the Tyson buffalo chicken tenders to this. Delicious. So good. Highly recommend that. The last of the frozen is their jasmine rice. It's delicious. The only ingredient is cooked organic jasmine white rice, so we love to see it. Okay, moving on to the like pantry things. I did pick up some of their blue corn tortilla chips. I kind of think that these are overpriced. I can't remember what the price was. I think it was like $3.99. I remember thinking like, dang, that's a lot for tortilla chips, but it's fine. So I picked up some of those, and I also got some salsa, which is right here. I picked up the pepita salsa, which is the pumpkin seed one. It's delicious. It is very different than like a typical salsa, but it's really good. Highly recommend giving it a try. And I thought last year that it was a fall seasonal item because it's pumpkin seed, but no, it's there all the time. So I picked up some of that. Another Hearts of Palm. This is really good. It's 60 calories for the whole package. Rinse it first and then like kind of heat it up in a pan skillet. Add I think red sauce is the best with it, but this time I'm gonna try like an Asian style and treat it like a lo mein noodle type of thing. So I wanna give that a go. I also picked up some fusilli pasta. This is 200 calories per 56 grams dry. Honestly, one of the better shaped pastas out there, and we haven't had it in a while, so I wanted to pick that up. I also got the big boy some little treats. Oh, did somebody get a treat? Can you sit? Can you come over here? Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Sam's such a good boy. I wish y'all could see him. He's just like the cutest baby. Here you go. And I'll give Hutchie some treats here in a minute. Hutch, our cat. Oh, let me bring you back up. Our cat is very treat picky. This is the only treat that I can get Hutch, that Hutch is interested in the least. Shameless Pets, Catnip and Chill, crunchy cat treats. He really likes those. I'm pretty sure I found them at Target. If not that, then Imperfect Foods, but I know Target sells that brand. So check Target. Excuse me, sir. Speak of the devil. Okay, by the way, these were the beef recipe rolls. Moving on, these actually meant to leave at the office, but I forgot, but I've been wanting to try these because I see like versions of this everywhere, and they're granola bites. 110 calories per pack. And they're so cute. Just like a little pack of granola bites. They're like little balls. Anyways, I thought that would be fun for like yogurt or just like a work snack. So, kind of a splurge. Picked those up, didn't need them. On that same trend, didn't need the blueberry mix. I picked it up. I feel like I haven't baked anything in a really long time that wasn't like, you know, super low calorie, no sugar, made with bananas type of meal, or type of baked good, which is totally fine. Still love those things. But sometimes you just want like the real thing, you know? So I did pick this up, and it says prepared. It's 240 calories per muffin, which I definitely think is doable. I'm trying to think, or try to see what you have to add. So you add 3 eggs, a half cup of milk, and 10 tablespoons of butter. Okay, well, we know where the calories are coming from. So I got that to maybe make over this weekend or soon. Also picked up the spicy, chunky tomato pepper sauce. This is 80 calories per half cup. I think this is another pasta sauce. Yes, the 3 cheese pomodoro pasta sauce. And this is 130 calories per half cup. It's a little bit higher, but usually the 3 cheese ones are. And the last item is the sparkling white tea with pomegranate juice. This is 10 calories per can. I've liked all of their other tea drinks like this. They had like a black tea one with peach or something. And then they had one with pineapple. I don't know. I've liked all of them so far. The guy at the register said, if you like the others, you're gonna love this one. It's really good. And they didn't have any of the others. This is what they had. So I did pick that up, 10 calories. And that's it. That is the whole, I feel like I did pretty good. Honestly, I feel like I got a lot of our favorite staples, things for easy grab and go dinners. And I've been in such a food rut lately. Like, I don't wanna cook anything. Nothing sounds good. I definitely don't wanna clean the kitchen after. Hoping I can kick that and be, you know, back at it next week. But all week this week, I've been like, nope, don't wanna cook. Nope, don't wanna make that. So I needed a little oomph, a little pizzazz, and Trader Joe's does that for me. And I already am in a much better mood about dinner choices. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away. I'm gonna pour a glass of wine because it's Friday, and I hope you'll have a beautiful day. Comment down below what your Trader Joe's staple is right now so I can add it to my list for next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I don't know why I'm holding these chips like they're my literal child. Bye.